Note that in reality what we do is, okay, in the economics, when we try to plot the quantity and the price, the convention is that the price is denoted in the y-axis, okay, and the quantity is denoted in the x-axis. In a case of our equation earlier, where the quantity was a function of price, so it was 350.4 minus 0.7 into price of t. So what we have is, okay, this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Okay, usually the equations are written in the form of like this: y is dependent on x. Okay, right? So even though yes, we know that quantity is a function of price, we want to bring a price as a function of quantity. So what we call that as a inverse demand function. Okay, so the demand function that we have got can also be made as a function where we have the price is a function of quantity. So we want price as a function of quantity, so we can get it. Okay, so what we can do is, we can say 0.7 price of t is equal to 350.4 minus the quantity. So minus the quantity. So what we have is, price of t would be 350.4 divided by 0.7 minus 1 divided by 0.7 into quantity, right? So you can solve this equation. After solving this equation, this will be the equation that you will get, that the price of t is 500.57 minus 1.3 quantity demanded of t. Okay, now if you see, this is the equation, this is better equation, right? I want price of t and this is your quantity of t. So we try to give this as the thing. So this is our equation, right? Now they're saying that here the quantity should be restricted, okay, so that a price do not become negative. So note that the price is bounded on the left by 0, right? So you cannot increase the quantity and you cannot have a price negative. Price negative t means is meaningless, right? So what we can say is the price cannot go below 0. So if I want to plot, okay, this function, the function will be, this is the price, this is the quantity. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, your quantity cannot become negative, your price cannot become negative. So this is your demand function. So it can become, so this is the maximum price possible. At the maximum price, quantity demanded will be 0, right? So if you see at maximum price, if you put this as 0, the maximum price that you have is 500.57. So if you put the price of t as 500.57 per kg, there will be no demand. Okay, but then there will be a huge demand when the price is kept as 0, right? So if your price is 0, the quantity demanded would be this. Ideally it is infinite, but you will find that it is restricted. So this will be the, this is the quantity maximum that can be demanded. So in that case the price, it will be 0, so it will become 500.57 divided by 1.43. So this is the quantity maximum that you will get, right? So maximum quantity they are saying that you can consume is 350 gram. So this is the maximum quantity that can be consumed. I think 350 kg, not the gram, 350 kg per week, right? So this is what is your inverse demand function. Why we require inverse demand function? Because we want price on the y-axis and quantity on the x-axis. So this is how your demand curve will look like. I have plotted this using the Excel. So this is 500.57, this is your 350, right? It cannot go negative, so we will bond it over here.